Today, we will talk about how to reach small business owners. Let's have a look at the details. There are 3 different situations you'll find yourself talking to a small business owner, on the phone, through email, or in person. Each situation offers its own respective challenges and benefits, but they also all share the common goal of inciting the owner to do something for you. Read on for a step-by-step guide to reaching owners that'll let you start productive conversations and forge strong business relationships. The first method is contacting the individual by cold call. Set up objectives that focus on your introductions and pitch meeting opportunities. Instead of using your cold call to make a sale, use it to identify if the business owner is a potential customer. Create a script for yourself to follow. You need to grab your client's attention as quickly as possible, so figuring out what you're going to say and gripping. You don't want to read from the script, you just want it to be your guide. Relax yourself and then make the call. If you have multiple prospects, take at least 2 hours to go through your call list. Have nothing else in front of you but your call list and script. You want to give your potential customer your full undivided attention in the same way you would want the customer to give you theirs. The second method is messaging the owner through email. Write a subject line that summarizes the email. This line should clearly tell the purpose of your email in only a few words. You want to make sure that the email's importance is prioritized. The thing to remember is that the reader should be able to know everything that's going to be in the email, without ever opening the email. Make the body of the email concise. Odds are your recipient is busy and doesn't have the time to read through a long email. Make your sentences short and sweet and delete any information that doesn't pertain to the topic of the message. Write a closing to your email. Closings include words or phrases such as sincerely, best regards, and thank you. When to use each of these is dependent on the purpose of the email. Proofread your email before sending. You want to make sure you keep your credibility. Most, if not every business owner will completely disregard your email if it's full of mistakes. If you can, have someone else read it for you before sending it. And the third method is talking with the owner in person. Start with some small talk. The best way to get what you want from somebody is through trust, and this can't be established if your first action is to ask them to do something for you without getting to know them a little. Relate to them, show gestures of politeness and caring by giving them a compliment and showing genuine interest in their words. Tell them what you're after through conversation. Slip in your objective once the two of you have had a little time to get to know each other. Tell them your objective. Follow up with them after the fact. If your meeting ends without a firm commitment, don't think it means they're not interested in your proposal. Stand out by sending a thank you email for the appointment. If your customer asked for more information, make sure you send it to them as soon as you are able. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.